Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. They have a 1994 Corvette Coupe, tuned by the Vette doctors when it was brand new. Sporting ZR1 wheels. Corsa exhaust, headers, all done by the Vette doctors. I think that package was about 10 grand back then. 37,100 miles on this car. Runs and drives fantastic. 6-speed manual, gorgeous paint, ready to go. Turn the key and enjoy. Black interior. Beautiful condition. Let me fire it up for you. 37,108 miles. A nice sound to it. Also has line lock. Never been used though. Glass top. That exhaust sounds so nice. Pretty car. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.